Hare Krishna, I am Sunita Sunil with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Let us continue with chapter 10, verse 32 of Bhagavad Gita. Sarganamadhirantascha madhyam chaivahamarjuna adhyatma vidya vidyanam Vada pravadatamaham. We'll see the translation. Of creations, I am the beginning, the end, and the middle, O Arjuna. Among sciences, I am the spiritual knowledge, Adhyatma Vidya. And among logicians, I am the truth, that is Vada. Sri Krishna says, in cosmic cycles, in creations, he is the start, middle, end. O Arjuna, among sciences, I am the spiritual knowledge, that is Adhyatma Vidya, and among logicians, I am the truth, that is Vada. In cosmic cycles, creation, start, middle, end are Krishna's meaning. Brahma creates, Vishnu sustains, Shiva dissolves. Adhyatma Vidya meaning it is inner wisdom, that is knowing self as divine. Krishna saying, I am that knowledge and logic's core truth. Meaning of Adhyatma Vidya is Krishna's essence in all things, is like a river that is flowing from source to ocean. Let me tell you a small story to understand. Dhruva, a young prince, sought kingdom but got rejected. He did intense tapas, pleasing Vishnu. Vishnu appeared. Dhruva, you sought fame, but true joys in Adhyatma Vidya by knowing me. Dhruva realized external power is inner peace. He attained a Dhruvalok, that is fixed abode near Vishnu. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣವೇ? ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಆರಂಭ, ಮಧ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತ್ಯ ನಾನೇ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಓ ಅರ್ಜುನ, ನಾನು ಜ್ಞಾನದ ನಡುವೆ ಆತ್ಮದ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಾದದ ಅಂತಿಮ ಸತ್ಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.